right properties have flexibility designed into them. As your needs shift, your property pivots with you. These right properties are rare, but thankfully, we have one of the best ocean view acreage properties in the Monterey Bay that is also extremely versatile and has a lucrative investment upside. Here at 110 Crest Drive in Selva Beach, we have 3 separate parcels totaling 30 acres that currently are developed as an agricultural-based rental property with weekend cabins that sleep 10. Whether you envision this land as an ocean view family enclave or foresee yourself building spec houses on the separate parcels, we think this land provides you versatility for your financial well-being for generations to come. Want to learn more? Go to familylandwithincome.com. Thank you.